बजट इतना कम है, कैसे होगा ग्रैंड सेरेमनी। मन तो कर रहा है किसी को बुलाऊं ही ना। गेस्ट लिस्ट कम करेंगे, बजट बैलेंस हो जाएगा। ऐसा लग रहा है पूरी सेविंग्स उड़ जाएगी इस एक फंक्शन में। हे गाइस, वेलकम टू ग्लिटरिंग आर्क, दिस इज गुंजन। ऐसा क्यों होता है कि जब भी बजट बढ़ने लगता है, फर्स्ट थिंग दैट कम्स टू आवर माइंड इज गेस्ट लिस्ट को छोटा कर दो। There are many other options, and here we are today with 5 tips to reduce your budget. Here we are today with 5 tips to help you reduce your budget, make your event look grand, and also not to compromise on quality and guest list. So first of all is venue selection. Select a venue which is beautiful. If you're planning to have an outdoor event, select a venue where there is lot of greenery around it. If you're planning to have an indoor event, select a venue where there is proper lighting. This will help you reduce the decoration cost and lighting cost. You can also check with the venue guys if they're okay to have your own vendor like decorator, caterer. This will also help you reduce the cost, and we'll discuss this in the later points. Second one is smart decor. स्मार्ट डेकोर ऐसा भी कुछ होता है? हाँ जी, बिल्कुल होता है। यू जस्ट नीड टू चेक दिस ऑप्शन विथ योर वेडिंग प्लानर और डेकोरेटर। Smart decor basically is to utilize the natural beauty of the venue and the natural lighting of the venue to make it look more beautiful, and this reduces the decoration cost and lighting cost. Something that is trending in smart decor is stageless decoration nowadays. So couples are preferring not to have an elaborated stage of 30 feet or 40 feet. Instead, they are preferring to go to have multiple setups around the place. Like we can have a photo booth, we can have a Jaimala stage, we can have a separate counter for like a corner for bride and groom. We can utilize the trees as a backdrop, etc. So instead of creating a huge setup, we can divide it into small setups that will keep the guests busy, and also this is really light on your pocket. Also, as a part of smart decor, what you can do is you can have a simple mandap but a very dramatic aisle to your mandap. As a smart decor, we are using a lot of artifacts nowadays. We use beautiful cushions, colorful cushions, tassels, pinwheels, lights. This reduces the cost drastically and give a very quirky look to the decoration. You can also select local flower instead of going for an exotic flower for the decor. Next is invite. We send invite to our guests to make them feel special and to tell them that their presence is important on our special day. But why not do it in a more creative way? So I would recommend go for an e-invite. There are many options available nowadays like GIF invites, video invites, and we can make our guests feel really special. Also, these are really light on our pocket because you can do it on your own. You just need to use the apps available on your phone and you can create beautiful invites for your guests. Next one is food. So what are the different food hacks that we can try to reduce the budget? So first of all, you need to get a venue where the outside catering is available. Remember, we discussed this in first point. Yes. And why it is important? Because if you can get your own caterer, you can customize the food menu according to your requirement, according to your budget. Also, for all pre-wedding functions, what I would recommend is go for fusion food instead of having a traditional menu. This will reduce your cost, and also it will give a very different look to your entire function. Like you can go for a Maggi counter, which is not very usual. You can go for an anda counter, you can go for a dimsum counter. You can have these quirky setups regarding food also. And you can have an elaborated menu on your reception day. So this will reduce the cost drastically and give a very unique experience to your guests. Next one is your wedding dress. Of course, no compromise on wedding dress, and that's what we are discussing through all other points. We are not going to compromise on the quality, but we will make it more special through our unique tips and tricks. Regarding dress, we have already done a video which is regarding how to make it more sustainable, how to design your pre-wedding dresses to make it more unique and dress up in a different way, make it quirky, make it different, make it sustainable. So I'll link it here so that you can go through that video that will help you plan your wedding dress in such a way that it will be very unique and different, and also it will be light on your pocket. Apart from these 5 points, there are other points also that can help you reduce the budget, like planning the accommodation properly. Like you can go for a place, select a place for accommodation which is closest to your event venue. That will also reduce the transportation charge, and check if it is lighter on your pocket. Second is regarding music. What I would recommend is, it's not important that you need to have a dhol or a DJ or an artist for each function or pre-wedding function. Instead, you can create your own playlist, a unique playlist for each function based on the kind of function that you are having, and you just need to hire a speaker and a mic, or you can ask your wedding planner to get one, and this will reduce the cost drastically. Also, you can check if you can have couple of pre-wedding functions at home to reduce the budget. So these are few suggestions from my end, but ultimately the main purpose of any event, whether it's wedding or any other event, is to feel special, to make the day memorable. So make sure that you feel special that day. You're not stressed. You make your guests feel special, because that's what matters. Hope you all like this video. If you have any suggestions or questions, please mention that in comment box. We are sharing our Facebook and Insta link in the description box. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you on Wednesday. Tada!